for having me on the show. And right now we are recovering. We had extensive winds come through Leon County. We've had some 40,000 persons without power for a good bit of time, but we're in the process of restoring that power to our community. We did, as you mentioned, the evacuation for persons living in mobile homes in Leon County, and in fact, most of those folks did heed our warnings. Our shelters have been open. We've got some 400 people so in the shelters, but as you spoke to your previous guest, the storm is winding down. Hopefully, in the next 2 or 3 hours, we can get out there and make some assessments about where we are. As you know, Leon County is a city with a number of trees and power lines are our biggest problem, especially right now, but we'll make an assessment of that in the next few hours.
One of the things that they had said is that this could even, the power of this storm could change the coastline. That was some Florida officials saying that, and as you say,
this is one of the
all of those trees and
history's greatest predators.
comes down, but then
Meet Titanoboa.
Is one of your concerns that people will try to return too soon to their homes today?
Discovered in the Paleocene and known to live in trees and lakes. This powerful predator was known to be an ancestor of ancient snakes. There have been fossils found of this great historical predator, and it's known to be one of the top 10 greatest discoveries. It was discovered in, well, the 2010 era. Back then, I used to know a lot about these amazing beings, and guess what? I still do. Titanoboa is one of the best snakes I've ever met. I even saw one at the Smithsonian. That giant snake, it deserved its own model. Its special ability involves constriction. I don't know why, it's just that they were both raised in America, and they both have their own. They are both strong enough to, well, I can't really explain it. Strong enough to do anything. And I mean anything. Strong enough to climb trees. Strong enough to take on powerful enemies. And even strong enough to I don't know why. Let's see.
We were talking to Florida State student Danielle about the FSU number 8 football team plays LSU in Orlando. Game is still on Sunday night, just so everybody knows. Fox weather correspondent Robert Ray is live. Many of the homes are.
Let me see if I got its head right.
And they've taken in water that's higher than where I'm standing. I mean, earlier this morning, the water was up to here on me as those fans are coming in. But they did say that there's waist deep water in some of those points that are more low-lying than where I'm at right now on Coronado Drive here in Clearwater Beach. Their high tide is coming soon, and that is the biggest concern for the police and fire at Pinellas County right now. So they're continuing patrol here, waiting for the high tide. We think that we might see a bit of a rise here. We almost hit 4 feet as far as the surge goes. We could have hit 7 feet. That was the potential expectation. Thankfully, that did not happen. But, you know, in a hurricane of this magnitude, a rapid intensification where a day ago was a tropical storm at this time of day, Brett and Dana, and then it turns into a Cat 4, makes landfall at 7:45 in the morning, that fast in 24 hours. If we could have a large community like Tampa and these barrier islands come out of this, other situations like fatalities or marinas with
There.
boats, that
There he is.
declining, like we saw
That is how you draw a Titanoboa.
last September, then that's a win, right? Now, I'm not negating
I'll be sure to give this guy a good pattern.
where the storm came in and some of the surge that had moved into that pocket, and also the fact that it's still category 2 now, moving
I'm sure this guy will be strong enough to take on a T-Rex.
really just
And, well, it may be longer than any crocodile.
moving across that part of the country and then into the Carolinas.
But what can I say?
This will likely
I've taken a liking to this
later
dino.
this afternoon, the recession of